were used to come up with the catchphrase and a new logo with costs pegged at nearly $50,000.
The town is keeping the logo, but the word boundless will begin to fade over time.
Fort Frances Town Council is giving a break to a group that wants to use the auditorium at the Memorial Sports Center. Acadia Broadcasting's Randy Toms has the details.
The $500 donation is to help the group that assists people in recovery stage a one-day conference. Councillor Mandy Olson feels it is a worthy cause that will have speakers from the area.
So there's over a dozen locals that have battled opioid addiction, amphetamines, alcoholism, or concurrent disorders, so along with mental health.
Council provided a similar break to Borderland Pride last June when it hosted a fundraiser for the Splash Park. I'm Randy Toms.
There are more gold discoveries at New Gold's Rainy River mine site. Once again, here's Randy Toms with the report.
The discoveries come as part of New Gold's first major exploration since the mine opened 7 years ago. The company's pleased with the early results. It says it could mean an expansion of both open pit and underground operations. The company's adding $3 million to its exploration budget. Part of the money will go toward further drilling and study. Current reserves are expected to take the mine until 2031. I'm Randy Toms.
Major mining conference Sencan's Essential Canada Resource Expo wrapped up today at the Fort William Gardens.
Minister of Mines George Pirie made an appearance and told people how Thunder Bay has turned around from its fate.
Population is increasing. It was declining like the population all across the north was. Those days are over. Those days are over. And it's because of people like Glenn that organizes these events, that pulls the people together and says, this is the opportunities that we have in northwestern Ontario.
According to the Community Economic Development Commission, the Sencan Conference is expected to bring more than $1.2 million into the city over just 2 days.
An estimated 3.6 million Canadians will continue Terry Fox's legacy this weekend.
The Terry Fox runs are scheduled in nearly 600 communities to raise money for cancer research.
Terry's younger brother, Daryl Fox, tells Acadia News it fulfills Terry's wishes he made in 1980.
He wanted to be sure that the run would continue if he was not able to, and more importantly, that we'd continue to raise money in his name for cancer research, and that's exactly what has happened over the last 44 years.
Fox says the over $900 million raised to date has made a difference for people living with cancer.
And now the weather forecast is brought to you by Kitchen Creek Golf Course.
Well, fall might be around the corner, but it certainly doesn't feel that way across our area. Our temperatures have been well above what they should be for this time of the year, and it just feels like summer just doesn't want to give up on us. Tonight for the region, we'll be expecting clear skies and a low of 15. Another gorgeous day is on tap tomorrow with a high of 28, but with the humidity, it'll feel more like 30. And for tomorrow night, it will start off clear, but there will be clouds building in the overnight hours. We might even see a storm pop up before daybreak. We'll see a low of 14. Taking a look at our 7-day outlook, we have multiple chances of showers and storms throughout the outlook. Cloudy skies will dominate throughout the early part of next week, so if you're looking for sunshine, you're in the wrong place. Luckily, our temperatures are going to remain above normal for the outlook, with highs in the mid to upper 20s and lows in the mid-teens. I will have sports in a bit.
Coming up, could Atikokan's Alex Sampson advance on America's Got Talent?
Plus, the Lake of the Woods Brewing Company is holding their first ever Rib Fest this weekend, and Gingerhead Sports. We've got action from Major League Baseball and the National Football League to cover. Northwest of 5, we'll be right back.
ये तो लकड़े की है, इससे क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं, पर इससे डरा तो पाएंगे ना?
बापूजी! माताजी! ये तलवार तो डेचू है।
डमरू, ये लो दूसरी तलवार।
हेलो, मामा, घरमा खेलने चलो। थैंक यू टप्पू के पापा।
दया संभल के। बच्चे छोड़ मुझे, छोड़।
अरे गोली। कैसे हो नकली महाराज? बताओ कहाँ है असली महाराज डमरू? अच्छा, टीम गुदगुदी।
गुदगुदी ले। बताता हूँ। अब वो अलमारी में है। पर हमें पासवर्ड पता नहीं है। कोई।
हमने सब सुन लिया है। आप सब बच्चों ने मिलकर हमें बचाया है। शुक्रिया बच्चों, आप सबकी जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है। आपने इन गद्दारों को पकड़ा है।
हमें माफ कर दीजिए महाराज, आपको बेहोश करके अलमारी में बंद कर दिया था ताकि आपके सारे खजाने को हम लूट पाए, पर भूल गए कि खजाने का लॉकर भी इसी अलमारी में है। और जब तक हम समझ पाते तब तक सामने से ये लोग आ गए और इन लोगों ने हमारा प्लान फेल कर दिया। हम दोनों लालच में बह गए थे और आपसे गद्दारी कर बैठे।
इस गद्दारी के लिए तो जेल में जाकर ही माफी मिलेगी। बच्चों, क्या आपने सुना है? हम बास्केटबॉल भी बहुत अच्छे से खेल लेते हैं।
हाँ महाराज। पर हम कैसे माने महाराज?
अभी तो मानोगे ना।
वाह भाई वाह, इस नकली डमरू ने तो कमाल कर दिया। लालच में आकर खजाना चुराने के लिए अपने महाराज डमरू का ही रूप ले लिया। टप्पू की सूझबूझ और गोकुल धाम की बहादुरी ने महाराजा एक्सप्रेस में लूट होने से बचा लिया और बहरूपीय चोर को पकड़ा दिया। छोटी छोटी बातें, बड़ी बड़ी खुशियाँ। चश्मा है छोटा पर मजे हैं बड़े। तारक मेहता का छोटा चश्मा।
Today, brand power looks at 1, 2, 2. When you're gonna see when a partner burning says Dyson, when they see a toy, when they see your toy and it wants it one or more time, and now we see the toy is very uncovered and recovered. When they woo my maid. Try again. 356M. It was a speed cube by America. Then you're gonna see if a speed cube journeys into buy your speed cube journey into DHA, improve the vibration, and version 0.2 is not. Try again. 356M. Brand power helping you buy better. 2 से 5 साल की चिप से न्यूट्रिशन ट्रांसफर की बच्चों को ले लीजिए। ये ले लो अंकल चिप्स 25% एक्स्ट्रा। ये इसे चिप्स है पंजाबी में। इसमें ये चिप्स का पैकेट्स 2 ग्राम का सिर्फ का पैकिंग का ये 25% एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है, वो 35% एक्स्ट्रा। जस्ट मी चिप्स में आपके लिए डालते प्लेट में और दिमाग को क्षमता को बेहतर करे। वे प्रोटीन और द मसल्स को बने और विकास के लिए जरूरी है। इसमें अंकल चिप्स का ही है। नहीं, 2 से 5 साल को बच्चों के दीजिए नया अंकल चिप्स। पावर तक किया खरीदे बेहतर।
आज तक रात 9 बजे।
Welcome back. Well, we will find out tonight whether or not Alex Sampson will make it into the top 6 on America's Got Talent.
The Atacocan singer performed last night as one of the top 12 semi-finalists.
All of the judges had positive comments, including Howie Mandel, who says he believes Sampson could go all the way.
The voting results will be revealed later on tonight.
Well, there's plenty of good Eats this weekend at the Brewers Village in Kenora.
It will be holding its first ever Rib Fest tomorrow afternoon through Sunday afternoon.
Rob the Coochie from the Lake of the Woods Brewing Company says it should be a great weekend of food and entertainment.
These amazing barbecue trucks. These are huge rigs, like full transport trucks with trailers coming through. There's 3 of them. Not only that, we've got I think there's some corn on the cob and a lemonade stand that's come with these guys. So looking forward to it.
There is a competition element to Rib Fest, with the awards for People's Choice and the judges' winners being announced on Sunday.
And now, the T-Baytel Sports Reports.
Canada, Australia, and Germany remained unbeaten in the group stage of the Davis Cup Finals after each winning their second straight match today. Canada won 3-0 against Finland, Australia beat the Czech Republic by the same score, and Germany swept aside Chile 3-0. The second week of the Winnipeg High School Football League gets underway this afternoon. Both Jordan and Fort Francis are on the road after winning in Week 1. The Eagles face the Tech Look Hornets, while the Muskies are up against the Daniel McIntyre Maroons. And the Beaver Bay Broncos have their first home game of the season tomorrow as they face the Churchill Bulldogs at the Tom Nab Soccer Complex at 4 p.m. Week 2 of the NFL gets underway tonight with the Buffalo Bills traveling to Miami to face the Dolphins. One of baseball's greatest rivalries writes another chapter tonight as the Yankees and the Red Sox are in action. The Blue Jays are off tonight before they host the St. Louis Cardinals this weekend. And that is going to do it for your sports report. Now back to you. Thank you very much, Ginger. Of course, you can get all your latest sports updates by going to our website, talkingnews.ca, and clicking on our sports section.
And that is going to wrap things up here on Northwest at 5. Have yourselves a great evening. We'll see you right back here tomorrow. Good night, everybody.
This has been a presentation of Outfit 7 News Holdings.
आज बहुत मजा आएगा। ए भाई जल्दी चला।
ओए आती ब्रा। ओए हट जाओ।
पोपटलाल हट जाओ।
सोनी ने तो मेरी दुनिया हिला दी। हट जाओ।
कचौड़ी। अरे गोली। हाँ, मैं अभी गोली को लेकर आया। क्या भाई क्या कर रहा है भाई? ये दरवाजे पे ऐसे खड़ा है, टीसी है तो टिकट चेक कर रहा है भाई। अरे आदमी ट्रेन में आएगा कैसे? बटने
हम महाराजा डमरू सिंह हैं।
तो जाके डमरू बजा तू।
गुस्से पे काबू कीजिए महाराज डमरू।
ये कहा डमरू के असिस्टेंट झुमरू?
हे ममता जी, टप्पू के पापा, ये तो महाराजा डमरू सिंह है। ये पूरी की पूरी ट्रेन इनकी है। ओहो महाराज जी, आप तो मतलब दरवाजे पर क्या, आप तो ट्रेन के छत पर चढ़ सकते हैं, किधर भी खड़े रह सकते हैं। मैं तो वो बस ऐसे ही मजाक कर रहा था। सॉरी वो।
आइए आइए अंदर आइए। टॉइंग टॉइंग।
ए भाई तुम आग क्यों मार रहे हो?
ये तो मेरी आदत है। टॉइंग टॉइंग। वैसे आप लोग हैं कौन? टॉइंग टॉइंग।
हमने लकी ड्रॉ में ये सिप जीता है। क्या शिप? मम्मी शिप नहीं ट्रिप। वही कह रही थी। अरे गोली किधर रह गया? गोली?
टप्पू, इस डोर फ्रेम में फंस गया हूँ। लगता है दही कचौड़ी खा के मैं फूक गया हूँ।
अभी तुझे निकालता हूँ। कम ऑन टप्पू सेना।